Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. Sean at High Level here. Wanted to bring a new feature to you today, which is really super cool. So roll over to triggers when you get a chance, hit add trigger. I've named this the appointment showed trigger, but check this out. So what we can do now is we have a new action called the update appointment status action. So what's really cool about this is we can now mark appointments via trigger action with any status we want. So in this example, we could say, let's say, for example, we wanted to automatically mark an appointment as showed based upon something that happens. Could be like a link clicked in an email, a reply to a text message, whatever it might be. We just come in here, let's say in my example here, I'm saying, listen, if a contact gets tagged with the end tag or whatever random tag this is, go ahead and mark the appointment as showed. So how does this work exactly? So what we're gonna do is go ahead and save this. And let's go in and actually look at an example contact. So normally, if you've been using High Level for any length of time, what you'll know is that if you're trying to do appointment-related stuff, you almost always have to trigger off an appointment itself. So we tried to make this a little easier this time, and so here's what we did. So if you trigger off of, and you put that trigger action in there, if you're triggering off something like, for example, the tag being added, what we do is we've got a contact in that case. So we're just going to look at the most recent appointment for that contact and then act on that appointment, if that makes sense. So the idea there is to make this a little more flexible, and it should work for about 99% of people in 99% of cases, and should make this a lot easier to facilitate. So we got Bill Murray here. Bill, you can see his status is confirmed. We're going to go down here and add the end tag, I think it was called, and then we'll go ahead and just save that. And so what's going to happen is we're simply going to get into a situation where his appointment is now marked as showed. Ta-da! So trigger action in place. So for those of you who are doing any kind of like cost per show models, just want to automate the show or other things, right? You could mark it as no showed. So really opening it up to anything, you can cancel it. This really, I think, changes the game as far as trying to automate a lot of this. We will put out a little bit of a video training, I think, later on, either this week or next, really walking through how to use this in different models. But for those of you who are already sort of deep in this should allow you to sort of get started and jump ahead. So as always, if you have any questions, let us know. We're working on a bunch of big releases. For those of you who are in the midst of the beta calendar, quick beta calendar update. If you've made it this far in the video, things are going great. I really highly anticipate that either next week or the week after we will be out of the beta calendar and everyone will get it. And then hopefully tomorrow or the next day we'll be able to let all of you turn on the beta calendar who want to turn it on for themselves. So anyways, hope you're having a great Tuesday. And otherwise, if you don't need anything, we'll talk soon. Bye.